Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Christmas coasters is probably one of the most festive and functional additions you can make to your holiday home decor this season, offering a delightful way to protect your surfaces while adding a touch of seasonal cheer to every gathering, from casual family meals to more formal holiday parties, ensuring that your tables remain safe from condensation rings and spills, all while enhancing the overall ambience of your festive celebrations with their charming designs and practical utility. Number 5. Primitives by Kathy Stone Coasters, home for Christmas. Protect your furniture with these durable stoneware coasters. They effectively absorb condensation, keeping your table safe from water rings. These 4-inch square coasters are perfect for any glass, whether it's wine, a cocktail, or your morning coffee. A handy holder keeps them organized. Enjoy charming holiday themes with 2 snowflake designs, a heartwarming sentiment with a snowy truck, and a classic home for Christmas design. Keeping them clean is a breeze. They are dirt-resistant and can be easily wiped with a damp cloth or rinsed off. Looking for a gift that speaks volumes? These coasters offer a touch of sass, humor, or warmth, perfect for expressing just how you feel. What we like? These coasters are made from strong, absorbent stoneware that protects your surfaces from condensation. They are generously sized to fit any glass and come with a convenient holder. If you are looking for durable coasters with charming holiday sentiments and designs, these are a great choice for your home this Christmas. What people say? Very absorbent and so very cute. I love the design printed on each one, and the colors are nice too. Not too bright and overpowering. These are high quality and cute. Number 4. Antor Christmas Wreath Diamond Art Coasters Kit. Get ready to create something beautiful this Christmas. This kit provides everything you need to make stunning diamond art coasters. Our upgraded design features a one-piece wood base, making crafting simpler and the finished coasters more durable and elegant. Experience the joy of creating. This DIY project is perfect for improving your hands-on skills, reducing stress, and building patience. Designed for everyone, even beginners. Just peel, match the gems to the numbers, and create your dazzling coasters with ease. These handcrafted coasters are ideal for daily use or to add a special touch to Christmas parties, birthdays, and any gathering. Each kit comes complete with coasters, a holder, tools, and plenty of colorful diamonds to bring your festive designs to life. What we like? This is a DIY diamond painting coaster kit that allows you to create beautiful, sparkling coasters. The one-piece wood-based design is sturdy and looks great. If you enjoy crafting and want a fun, engaging activity that results in unique and festive coasters, this kit is perfect for you. What people say? Adequate size for cups or glasses make them functional as a coaster. Rich colors and sticky adhesive. Plenty of diamonds to complete these adorable coasters. Number 3. Primitives by Kathy Believe Coaster Set. Protect your surfaces with these highly absorbent stone coasters. They effectively soak up condensation, safeguarding your tables from water rings. These coasters are generously sized to accommodate any glass, from wine and cocktails to coffee cups. They come with a handy wire holder for easy storage. Featuring a charming rustic design, these coasters are perfect for the holiday season. They include festive messages and a delightful snowman graphic. Embrace the magic of Christmas with this set. The Believe design adds a special touch to your holiday decor. Add a perfect rustic accent to your home this holiday season. They bring a warm and festive feel to any room. Discover more inspirational, fun, and heartwarming gifts and home decor from Primitives by Kathy. There's something for everyone. What we like? These coasters are crafted from absorbent stoneware, ensuring your tables are protected from moisture. They feature rustic-inspired holiday designs that add a cozy touch to your decor. If you appreciate a charming, rustic aesthetic for your holiday decorations and need reliable coasters, these are an excellent option. What people say? Solid and well-designed. Add a festive touch to the house. These are vibrant in quality. We received a lot of great compliments on them this holiday season. Exactly what I was looking for. The same great quality as the Thirsty Stone coasters I use year-round from Bed Bath & Beyond. Number 2. Red Snowflake Christmas Coasters set of 6. Add a thoughtful touch to your holiday tables. These coasters are crafted from absorbent felt, designed to protect your furniture from beverages. They serve as a helpful resting spot for both warm mugs and chilled glasses. These are ideal for your Christmas table decor, winter parties, or daily use. They add a decorative element to coffee tables, dining settings, and workstations. Crafted from dual-layer felt fabric, they are gentle on furniture finishes. The material offers a non-slip quality to help keep cups stable. Each one features a detailed snowflake pattern. Designed for multiple seasons of use, these are easy to maintain. When needed, simply wipe the surface with a damp cloth. Their design allows for convenient, stackable storage. This package contains a complete set of 6 red and white snowflake felt coasters. They are designed specifically as cup mats for mugs, glasses, and other beverage containers. What we like. Made from soft, absorbent felt, these coasters protect your furniture while adding a festive touch. The detailed snowflake pattern is perfect for winter holidays. If you need a set of charming and functional coasters for daily use or holiday gatherings, this set of 6 is a wonderful choice. What people say. These coasters are made of ceramic and have a cork backing to prevent slipping. The festive Christmas designs are very attractive and add a nice touch to holiday decor. They are absorbent and protect surfaces from condensation and spills. Number 1. Christmas Coasters, Funny Holiday Gift Set. Introducing a set of 8 unique coasters, perfect for adding a touch of humor to your holiday season. They come neatly packaged in a vibrant and durable gift box. Each coaster features a different funny phrase, designed to bring a smile to your face. They are 4 by 4 inches, offering ample space for your drinks. These coasters are sure to liven up any gathering and bring laughter to your home. They offer a fun take on everyday observations. Crafted from cork, these coasters are built to last. You can enjoy using them time and time again for various occasions. Looking for a gift that's both fun and practical? These make an ideal present for anyone with a good sense of humor, perfect for birthdays, housewarmings, or as a hostess gift. Consider giving these as a thoughtful and amusing gift to friends, whether for your book club, wine club, or just to brighten their day. What we like. These coasters are made from long-lasting cork and feature a different humorous phrase on each one. They come in a gift box of 8, making them ideal for sharing laughs. If you're looking for a fun and practical hostess gift or want to add some humor to your own gatherings, these coasters are a fantastic pick. What people say. These coasters are made of ceramic and have a cork backing to prevent slipping. The festive Christmas designs are very cute and add a nice touch to holiday decor. They are absorbent and protect surfaces from condensation rings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.